Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Madeline. Today you get to explore different 2D shapes using geoboards. So geoboards are boards with pegs in them, and you can use elastic bands to stretch over the pegs to make some different shapes. So you might have it at home, and if you do, I encourage you to do your hands-on learning and practice stretching the rubber bands and things like that. If you don't have a geoboard at home, then here is an example of an online geoboard that you can use. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the geoboard cards that I've linked on the slides for you. And on it, there's a lot of different examples of different shapes. So I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the online geoboard. So what you're going to do is you can pick any color elastic band that you like, and you can drag it onto the board. And then you can stretch the elastic band to different pegs to make some different shapes. So let's make a rectangle to start. So you can do this on your iPad, or you can do this on a computer. Both work. So what I want you to do is I want you to practice building some different shapes like you see on the geoboard shape cards, and see if you can match your designs to the one on the cards. And practice naming the different 2D shapes. So this one that I just made is a rectangle. Okay, and then you can click the elastics and then click the trash, and then you can try a different one. So let's try a triangle. So this is really fun just to play around and practice making different shapes. You can even make a few different shapes to make a picture if you want. So here I've made a house. So I hope you enjoy this activity. I love using geoboards to explore different shapes. See you next time.